Trí Botúin ecum gachlá mar rúnsor Gaeilge. Ibrahim forgetting the on before countries. Now, while there are a lot of countries, Ireland and England, Éire agus Sasana, for example, that don't have a definite article before them, let's take Europe, most countries will have it. So if I want to say I'm going to Spain, I can't say Tomeig dul go Spáin, I have to say Tomeig dul go dtí an Spáin. Same in the genitive, if I'm saying the south of Italy, I can't say Deisceart Idal, it has to be Deisceart na Hidála. Okay, Iver is saying something like Níos Difriúil. Níos Difriúil. So while Difriúil might mean different, and of course we need to use the Níos to indicate the comparative, more different, the adjective after Níos, or is as well, for the superlative will change always to end with a vowel. So Difriúil for different, but Níos Difriúla more different, is Difriúla most different. Agus Iver is saying something like Níl inniu for not today. So remember, Níl is just used as the verb to be in the negative in the present tense. So I'm only going to use it for things like I am not, Níl may, or it isn't, Níl sé. But for just a short thing like not today, not this one, not that one, there's no verb there. So we can't use Níl. Instead, we're just going to use ní. Not today, ní inniu. Not this one, ní an ceann seo.